from the images available that we've seen at this point, the police appears to use force against Jacob Blake that would seem to be excessive. And it does not appear that the law enforcement officers abided by the international standard for the intentional use of lethal force with a firearm. It also seems highly possible that the force used against Blake could be discriminatory in nature. The case of the shooting of Jacob Blake, which is, I think, a painful reminder of how African Americans continue to be exposed to differentiated and heightened risk when engaging with law enforcement bodies in the United States. And this really tragic episode reaffirms the need for urgent action to eradicate linkages between structural racism and policing.